Hello, I'm from the band The Wichitars. My name is Jake and I've been playing close to 15 years now. I play the classic 5A sticks by Collision Drumsticks. I'd like to say a huge thank you to Collision for giving this opportunity. I'm very excited to join this community. I play 5A sticks primarily because I need something light and powerful, especially with long intense sets. I'm not letting go of that stick. In the background I'm playing a live cover of our song Peacekeeper, but for now I'm going to be playing a song from our single releasing soon, Kicking Up a Storm. Hope you enjoy.